We'll see. Did something. Ha ha! Come on, sucker! Yeah. Want to beat him so we can get a shot? Oh, that's a beaut. Wait. Yeah, you got him. Oh, what's this happening? Your pole now?
I just broke my fucking pole. Can you believe that?
Wow. Well, this is the fish that broke your pole.
Oh,
That
son
sucks.
of a bitch.
Here, buddy. That's unbelievable. Just snapped right through there.
Well, I guess I'm going to be fishing with my 6 for these beasts. That's really going to be fun. God bless America. I can't believe it.
I'm gonna rinse you off, good boy. That's a beautiful fish.
I never dreamed that would happen.
Where are you, huh? It's trying to be nice to you. Quit flopping. You got him. Sweet.
I can't believe that.
That is a little freaky. I just snapped it right
If I
there.
hit something. What was that made that happen?
Yeah. All right, dude.
I'm going to get my hand behind him here.
Oh, and tilt him up. I'll tell you, this is just a little foggy, but... Oh! I was right about there. Almost took it. I got the flying fish picture. Come one more time.
Oh, there he goes. No problem.
Maybe.
No problem.
Come on, buddy. Here you go. Come take a picture. We got him this far. He's the guy that broke your pole.
Can you believe that? Out in the middle of Alaska even. For crying out loud.
There we go. We'll get a pic yet. Okay, got him out and